Hey, how's it going? As you can see here, I have one box, 2017 Bowman Chrome HTA. There are 3 autos per box here. I'm going to rip into this right now. This will be a quick one. It should be fun. This is the big year for Acuna. Definitely some other guys. Nice Cody Bellinger in here. The set would be nice if it was in here too. But yeah, let's see what we get here. These are always kind of cool just because they come with a little plastic protector you can always reuse, like a 25 count. There's the cards, hoping for no redemptions. Whew, here we go, wish me luck. Get rid of these fuzzies. All right. First one, Jameson Fisher for the White Sox. Looks like just a base. Yep, just a base. All right, I'm gonna go the back one because I saw the team already, and I don't want to keep. I want to keep the middle one as unknown to me. Here's the back one, Leody Taveras. Cool. That's cool. One of the special, I think, HTA autos. Blue to 150, 88 of 150. All right, now let's see what the middle one is. I have no idea what this could be. Dinelson Lamet. Dinelson. There's another base. So there you go. There's one box, 2017 Bowman Chrome HTA. Goes quick. Big one right here, Leody Taveras. Show the back a little bit better than I did before. Number 88 of 150. Top right there. And then started off the Jameson Fisher. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Always a quick one with the HTAs. Catch y'all later. Peace.